Good morning to all. Today our chapter is a derivative of the product of function. Derivative of the product of function. Let y is a function like f of x into gx. Two function, product of two function given. Y is equal to f of x into a dot gx. Product of two functions. F of x is a function, gx another function. Two functions product given, then how to find out derivative. The derivative will be dy by dx. Y का derivative with respect to x, that is dy by dx. First function into derivative of second one, that will be g dash x, plus second function into derivative of first one, that is f dash x. This is the formula. Dy by dx will be first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. If two function, if the product of two function given, then you can apply this formula. If the function y is given product of three functions, like let y is equal to f of x, gx, third function also given, suppose hx, product of three function given. Whenever y is given in terms of product of three function, then derivative will be derivative of y with respect to a, that is dy by dx, first function into second function into derivative of third function, plus first function into third function into derivative of second one, that is g dash x. Means indirectly you have to find derivative of all the function. H dash x plus gx into hx. Whenever y is given product of three function, you have to find dy by dx is equal to first two function derivative of third, again plus first function into third function derivative of second, again plus second function into third function into derivative of first one. And indirectly you have to find derivative of all the function. Whenever taking a derivative of suppose first function, other two functions treated as constant. This is the formula required for product of three functions, and the previous one product of two functions. Let us take one question, then it will be clear for you. Suppose question number 1, y is equal to x into tan x given. Means it is a product of two functions. X is the first function, tan x is the second function. Therefore, dy by dx, as per formula, first function x derivative of second one tan x, dy by dx of tan x plus tan x into derivative of first function. This is the formula. First function into derivative of second plus second function derivative of first function. So x into tan x derivative is x square x plus tan x derivative x is 1. So what is the final answer? X into sec square x plus tan x. This is the answer of question number 1. Let us take question number 2. Question number 2, suppose y is equal to x into e to the power x. Product of two functions given, first function x, second function e to the power x, exponential function. Therefore, dy by dx, the first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first one. That means x into e to the power derivative e to the power x plus e to the power x derivative x is 1. So finally take x to the e to the power x common, what left? X plus 1. This is the answer of number 2. Question number 3. Suppose it is given y is equal to x square e to the power x into sin x. That means here product of three functions given. One is algebraic function x square e to the power x, exponential function, another trigonometric function. There are product of three functions given. Therefore, dy by dx, first two function x square e to the power x into derivative of sin x plus x square into sin x derivative of e to the power x derivative second function plus e to the power x into sin x derivative of first function, that is x square. Now you tell x square into e to the power x derivative sin x is cos x plus x square into sin x e to the power x derivative e to the power x plus e to the power x into sin x into x square derivative is how much? X square derivative will be 2x, 2 samne 2x, x square derivative 2x. From here you can take e to the power x common, e to the power x taken common. What left here? X square cos x plus x square sin x, and here 2x sin x, 2x evaluate first, 2x into sin x. This is the answer of number 3. Next question number 4. Question number 4, suppose y is equal to, it is given like this, x square into sin x, x square into sin x. This is the exercise question I am doing, just to see. Differentiate the following function, product given x square into sin x. As per rule, dy by dx will be first function into derivative of second, that is sin x, plus sin x into derivative of, that is x square, first function. X square into derivative sin x is cos x. X square derivative is 2x, 2x into sin x. Here you can take x common. What left here? X cos x plus 2 sin x. Number 4 complete. Finish exercise question number 1 complete. Next question, question number 2. Exercise question number 2. By my serial number is 5 number question. I am doing serially. Question number 5. It is given y is equal to, you have to write always y is equal to e to the power x into cos x. That means it is given product of two functions, y is equal to e to the power x into cos x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first one, that is e to the power x. E to the power x derivative cos x is minus sin x, derivative sin x cos x is minus sin x, plus cos x into e to the power x derivative will be e to the power x. Here you can take e to the power x common. What left here? Cos x minus sin x. Cos x is writing first positive, then minus sin x. This is the answer of number 5. Question number 6, exercise question number 3. Y is equal to e to the power x into cot x. Cot x. Therefore, dy by dx will be, as per the rule, product rule, first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of e to the power, that is e to the power x. Now e to the power x, what is the derivative of cot x? That is minus cos square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cos square x plus cot x. Derivative e to the power x will be e to the power x. You can take e to the power x common. What left here? Cot x minus cos square x. Cot x minus cos square. This is the answer of number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7, it is given y is equal to x to the power n into cot x. X to the power n into cot x. Therefore, dy by dx will be first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of x to the power n. Now, x to the power n, derivative of cot x is minus cos square x, minus cos square x plus cot x. Derivative x to the power n will be n into x to the power n minus 1. X to the power n minus 1. So here you can take x to the power n common. What left here? This will be x to the n by x. That means n by x cot x and this is minus cos square x. N by x cot x and this is minus cos square x. Because I have taken x to the power n common, x to the n taken common, here left n by x cot x minus cos square x. Record. Next question. Next question given y is equal to x cube into sec x. X cube into, that means product of two functions given. Just to see here, y is equal to x cube into sec x. Okay. So as per the rule, dy by dx derivative of y with respect to x will be first function into derivative of sec x plus sec x into derivative of x cube. X cube into derivative sec x will be sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x plus sec x into x cube derivative will be 3x square, 3x square. So from here you can take x square common and sec x common. What left here? 1x left here, x tan x plus sec x taken common, x square also taken common, means 3 left, x tan x plus 3. Last two sum I do. Number 9. Number 9 question given y is equal to x to the power 4 into tan x. Product of two function given, x to the power 4, that is algebraic function, first function, second one trigonometric function tan x. Therefore dy by dx will be first function into derivative of tan x plus tan x into derivative of first function, that is x to the power 4. X to the power 4 derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x into x to the power 4 derivative will be 4x cube. You can take x cube common. What left here? X sec square x plus here 4 tan x, 4 tan x. This is the answer of number 9. Last question number 10 today I will do. Question given y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 whole sin x. That means here this total bracket is first function, algebraic function x square plus 3x plus 1, and sin x itself is the second function, that is trigonometric function. As per rule, dy by dx derivative of y with respect to x, first function you take as x square plus 3x plus 1 whole, first function into derivative of second, that is sin x, plus sin x into derivative of second one, that is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now tell me, x square plus 3x plus 1, sin x derivative is derivative of sin x, that is cos x, and here x square derivative will be how much? 2x, write in bracket 2x, and 3x derivative will be 3 into 1, that is only 3, and derivative of 1 is 0, that means 2x plus 3 whole into sin x. Keep it like this. You can open the bracket or you can keep it like this. It means x square plus 3x plus 1 whole cos x plus 2x plus 3 whole into sin x. In this way, question number 10 completed. 10 questions today I have completed using derivative by product rule. Thank you for today's class. Next I will do remaining part of this exercise.